All right, check this out. I'm actually having trouble selling this Jetta. It's a 2009. And one of the reasons why I feel like I'm having trouble selling it is the seat. The way the rip is in the driver's seat. The other seats are okay. They're not too bad. The major thing is that seat right there. So this company reached out to me and said they would be interested in having me make a video on these seat covers, and they sent the seat covers and they're actually really nice. They're a lot higher quality than I expected. Look pretty nice, and they sent ones for the front and for the back, so we're gonna put these on. Get the zipper on the top, so we'll open the zipper. Just go right over the headrest. Also comes with this hardware. There's some hooks. There's these that are gonna hold it in place so that it doesn't move around a lot. All right, so these go underneath and these help secure this down. Let's go through there like that. Then you push that in between there and that's gonna hold it down. Do the same on this side. Pretty easy to install. Push that through. It's good. And that folds down. That looks better. And then on the front, you've got some. You're gonna put some clips on these ones, and then clip it underneath your seat. And just find something to clip on. And it's like a, like a leather type material, maybe a vinyl. It's got a cool line in the middle on this one. There's many different designs. These were the designs I thought looked cool. All right, and then it comes with these that are gonna go in the middle. Center. You got one in the center as well. And the front seat has pockets in the back. That's pretty neat. That goes over, that's nice and easy. All right, check it out. I got all the covers on. They look great. Definitely an improvement from what we had. So if you have a car that has ripped seats or you want to protect your seats, these might be a great option for you. You can check out the link in the description. They're easy to install. There's also a discount code. So Covers4Car. Check these guys out. They're pretty good. And even the heated seat, when this heated seat is on, you can still feel it. It's obviously not as hot as it would be normally, but you're gonna expect that when you put a cover over it, but it still feels good. So now I should be able to sell this car, no problem.